In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check messages on AliExpress. Whether you need to confirm a shipping address, ask about sizing, or follow up on an order issue, knowing where your messages live will save you time and headaches. Start by opening your web browser and going to aliexpress.com. You might see a regional version of the site, and that's fine. The steps are the same. Make sure you're on the official AliExpress website to protect your account and orders. Now log into your account. Look for the sign-in option at the top of the page. Use the same login you used when placing your order so your conversations appear. If you're not signed in, the messaging area won't show your history and you won't be able to reply. If you have multiple accounts, double-check which one you're using to avoid confusion. Once you're logged in, find the message center. The quickest way is the envelope icon near the top right of the page. It often shows a small number badge when you have unread messages. If you don't see the icon, open the My Account menu and choose Message Center from there. Clicking that takes you straight to your inbox. Inside the Message Center, you'll see a list of conversations with sellers. Unread messages are usually highlighted, and you can click any thread to open it. Many pages include a search box, so you can type a store name or order number to jump to the right chat. The conversation view looks like a chat window, with messages in chronological order. To reply, type your message into the text box and press send. Keep your note clear and focused. If the question relates to a specific purchase, include the order number or product link so the seller can help faster. You can attach images when needed, like a photo of an item or packaging, but avoid sharing personal or payment details in chat. For convenience, AliExpress often provides built-in translation, so you can write in your language and the seller can translate on their end. If you're expecting an update, check the envelope icon periodically. The unread count will let you know when a seller has replied. Staying within the message center also helps AliExpress support review your conversation if there's ever a dispute. And that's it. Go to aliexpress.com, log in, open the message center, then view and reply to your seller messages. Follow these steps anytime you need quick, documented communication about your orders.